Salut, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to repair a screen of P-Smart Z problem of backlight. I think it's broken from inside. You cannot see it on LCD, but it's broken. So I got a new original screen. I'll let you know guys, it's not gonna be easy touch to do, very difficult to do all that. I did it once or twice. I will show you how to do it. For starting, always, that's what I do. From here, I take this one and a piece of plastic. It's the best to work with. So I go a little hole somewhere here, like that. See guys, and then go all the way down here. You be very carefully because you have the Touch ID here. You have to be very carefully. So go easy all the way down. Yeah, stucks a little bit, it's all right. The best way as well to heat it a little bit. Let me just, I love working with music, but sometimes it makes me some headache, gives me some headache. That way, see guys, like that. Okay, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. I told you the plastic is the best. These little cards, I bought them on the internet. This phone has been repaired before. I think it's gonna be a little bit easier to repair. So let's do it guys, all together. There, I told you it's been repaired before. Can see that, look. Anyway, let's start. As usual, you have about 10 or 15 screws to take off, one by one. I don't know if I can take this one off right now. I don't need it anyway. Yeah, comes easy. I love this kind of jobs. Okay, so this one is done. That one and this one is not here. I hope everything will be okay. And then just try to take this off if I can. And then there is 2 screws missing. I hope I have some screws to give him later on. Always try to do it with a little plastic like that, because the plastic is the best thing for phones. Yep, because a little bit easier than usual. Okay, there you are. Take this LED out. Be careful for the Touch ID. Take this one off, and now go easy. Opla. Careful guys. Nice one. Yes, I told you, it's been repaired before this phone. You're missing something here. It's okay guys, always go from the right hand side, not the left. When you take the phone, go on the right, because you can touch little compost like that. Just go easy, very easy, very easy. There you are. Take everything out, I mean everything. Take this one off and that one off. I hope guys you see everything. I don't know on the camera, because it's not that easy to fix up the camera and to show you how it works. For me, I did it as I told you a couple of times, so I can find it a little bit easier to do it today. Be careful, be careful. If it stacks, guys, don't pull up, go easy, don't pull up, never. Don't pull up guys, go easy. Very easy because I can see there's some Sally type inside. Yeah. See that, guys? That's very dangerous. Very dangerous. You have to take it easy. Very easy. I don't see this every day. So sometimes there's some surprise. Yep. You can see. This is the real surprise for me. Go all the way down. Yeah, I understand. I understand you have to heat it up a little bit. There you are, there you are. Can you see it? Don't pull up, go easy. Because if you cut off this one, it's going to be very difficult to find another one. You're going to wait days and days to get another one. So, there you are, good. Now, same thing, you take all the screws out. You don't care about the frame because you got a new one. It's here, it's full. It's going to do a very good job. That's why I like when it's original. We call them service pack. There you are. So now, take this first one out. Easy. Try from here. Yep. There you are. This is the first one. And then you have the second one. It should come easier from here. Or from that side. When you have everything, you can work nice. There you are, clips it from the side and comes up. For me, it's not that difficult. That's the speaker. There you are, guys. So now, after that, try to take this one off. I don't know how it comes out, but I think it's from here. I can see. There you are. There you are, guys. Yeah, I got a little problem I think here. I don't know where is my toothbrush. I love my toothbrush, just love it. It's a little bit water damaged. I hope it will work. Yeah, you can see it's a little bit water damaged here. Down. Anyway, now continuing. Take off the vibrator. I hope you can see, guys. Take the vibrator out. You be careful because it's stuck down there, so take it very easy. For me, the best thing, as soon as you take off sometimes things like that, the best, as soon as you take it off, put it in the other one. At least you're not gonna forget it later on. There you are, guys. Go here. Sorry I say guys, but no girls, because 99% of people who does this repair is girls. In fact, guys, I want to say. Sorry. Oppa, nice one. Now take this one off. You take this one off. Take that one off. All that. Don't throw them away yet. keep them, or not keep them, you know why? So in case if it doesn't work, at least you can put, you're gonna put it back later on. Now, come back to business. This one we finish with it. Go easy, very easy. It's the front camera. Take it off. You have about 4 screws here. 1. There you are. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna find another ones underneath of it. There you are. Now it should come easy. The motherboard. I hope. I will see. Don't forget the most important thing is that one. Don't forget it, guys. I always forget it. So now it should come easy. Yeah, it's good. So there is the last one. Take it off like that. Now for the camera, you just push like that. It should come. No. Forget. Before pushing, take this off. Too many screws. Take this off. Now it's easy. Look, you put from here, and then it should come easier from the other side. Just trying to take this off. When you can't, try to heat it a little bit. Bonjour madame. On a 2 modèles. Il y a 14,99 et 20 € le meilleur, ce qu'on appelle le fast charging, le charge rapide. C'est pour les nouveaux ou les anciens?
Non, parce que moi je veux le changer.
D'accord.
Je veux pas mettre.
Et après, c'est un chargeur qui peut fonctionner pour plusieurs modèles aussi. Hein. On n'est pas obligé de l'acheter.
Moi, le mien, il est mort.
D'accord. Hein. Dites-moi, de toute façon, moi j'ai les deux. Hop, allez voir, guys.
Comme j'ai le droit de le changer là.
Oui.
Parce que regardez, il est tombé. Tout est cassé là.
C'est quoi comme téléphone?
Le Samsung, il est vieux, Samsung S7.
Tu veux voir, je peux regarder. Alors vous êtes en écouteur? Ah, le A70, oui. C'est des bons téléphones ça.
Oui, mais
Ça malheureusement on a que des chargeurs à 20 €. C'est des charges rapides en fait. Des chargeurs à 20
Puisque
€.
moi, je vais changer.
Ah, vous voulez juste le câble ou vous voulez le complet?
Le câble, il fait combien?
12,90, c'est beaucoup moins cher. Hein.
Combien?
12,90 pour le câble. Au 20 € le complet. Sauf que je vous disais, en fait, cette tête, vous pouvez l'utiliser pour plusieurs modèles après. Comme c'est des charges rapides, c'est pour les enfin, pour les tablettes, pour plusieurs autres choses aussi. Et voilà.
Je suis à la laverie, je vais réfléchir.
Réfléchissez, madame, revenez me voir comme vous voulez.
Merci.
Au revoir. It's very, very hard to do business in these days, you know. Very hard, guys. So, we nearly finished. This is the last one. Take off. There you go, guys. So, a little bit broken, we don't care. big deal. سمعت لك جيت سمعت لك اللي بلا فيديو. Alright, so guys, this is the last one, which we call it the flicks. I'm gonna take it off. It's not gonna be that easy, but it comes out. There you are, guys. So now we finish with the old one, throw it away, and you take the new one. The best thing to do now, the last thing you took off is the first thing you take back. That's we do it like that always. See guys, that's easier. Try to do it like that. Okay, I think what it's like this or like that? I don't know. Let me see. I think it's like that. I think I forgot how to do it. No. You have to push this one nicely inside. Very nicely. There you are. It doesn't come inside. It doesn't go inside. It has to go. What's the problem is that with that? Is it done? I don't know. Let me see. No. Are you sure everything's okay? C'est le problème. Bonjour.
Est-ce qu'on remplaçait les écrans d'iPhone 8 ou pas?
Oui.
Et ça coûte combien de temps?
Là, j'en ai pour 10 minutes là, puis 10 minutes pour vous si vous voulez le faire tout de suite.
Ok. Et ça coûte combien?
Ça coûte 89 € pour l'écran. Et si vous voulez racheter un verre trempé, c'est 10 € au lieu de 20 €. Les meilleurs verres trempés, hein, les complets.
On va faire ça alors.
D'accord.
Il est un peu chaud là.
Ok, maintenant mon téléphone.
Un iPhone 8.
Ça fonctionne.
Ouais.
Le code.
Alors, tu me notes ou tu me notes?
C'est pas grave. Tout ce qui m'intéresse, c'est juste de voir que les caméras fonctionnaient avant, des trucs comme ça, on s'est un souci. Oh, je prends pas la responsabilité après. Ouais, tic-tac, 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 tic-tac. Elle est là. Voilà.
L'appareil photo il est un peu flou.
Non, on s'en fout, ça c'est juste l'écran. Une fois on répare l'écran, il devrait être ok. Volume, tout marche bien.
Ouais, je trouve que ça marche.
Ok. Super. Tu verras dans. À midi, ça va à midi?
Très bien, midi.
À tout à l'heure.
Merci beaucoup, chef.
Il n'y a pas de souci.